Sunday afternoon, 6th of November. Please excuse the weather. We're late getting on a ferry. We're travelling to Penticton. So we're going through the Rocky Mountains. Apparently there's snow. So we're getting a ferry in 2 hours. Here is my trusty cloth. And somebody had commented on the rear bumper on the driver's side. I'll use my sausage finger as guidance, so you can see, I guess that is 2 millimeters, where this plastic trim, if I pull out, is up against this plastic trim, and you can see as my finger raises and falls, a little peak where there's a car parking dent, I guess you'd call it, in the plastic bumper. So I'm zooming in. There's my finger for scale. So that is on the rear bumper. I'll zoom out to give you some idea. And zoom back in, and from the other side, and I'll have to check the original photographs because I have the pleasure of working with Adam, who is a superb individual in every way except his parking. I would categorise as diabolical. So I'll have to check the photos and see whether that is indeed fresh or not fresh. But there you go, there is the rear bumper. And then may as well just scoot along to the other side. So that is the rear bumper.